How to invite all friends to a group on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now on the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, go to Groups. Open any group from here under your Groups. Once you're here, tap on Invite below the group name. From here, you can search for and select people to invite them to this group. Tap on the Invite button beside their names. You can also share this group link with your friends. You can repeat the same steps to invite your friends to other groups on Facebook as well. Following these steps, you can easily invite all friends to a group on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.